Makadhi utaniaibisha mpaka when? Watoto wanawake wa wenyewe, watoto wa shule, kila kitu kifagio.
So whom do you suspect?
We can only suspect the wife, nobody else.
Why do you suspect that? You need that information.
What is it?
Mom, you're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you up a hot?
Mom, please just...
Did you are quite a disappointment, you?
No, please just go, please.
I go where?
Yes.
Let me tell you, you have not seen me yet. Whatever I'm going to do here.
Mama, Aki, please.
Do you know, Junior, you are quite a disappointment to me.
I've become a laughing stock in school.
That is exactly what I want. And let me tell you, if you want me to be otherwise, tell your father, the principal, to behave. To do what?
You lied that he impregnated this girl. Ulikuwa nataka afutwe kazi. Now you have killed him.
You are sure of that?
Yes, she's my wife.
Let me
How
tell
can
you.
I not be sure? Yes.
Let me tell you. Since she came, she's now the second wife to our principal. Get that right?
Relationship from where?
Nakuelewa. But you know, disappearing from school is not the best solution.
You see, at home, it's even worse. They can even get physical in front of me. It's all about Mom.
Mtakuwa mnafanya what I want here. It is either what I want or nothing else.
What is all this about?
This is the matron, eh? Okay. Nakwambia your wife. Nimempata na huyo bwana yake. Wakihagiana. Wacha hivyo, hata nimekutumia picha. You left your husband in Nakuru, then ukuja unyemelea mabwana zangu.
Waje nilikuwa Nakuru.
I know you are Mrs. Ndiago.
Now, let me tell you. Please. Mrs. Makode, do you know character assassination is a very serious offense?
It is even more worse when you take somebody else's wife.
Who has taken your husband?
My husband together with that.
Goodness.
Nakwambia nimewapatia.
Please. Can you leave this institution now?
Leaving. So long as my husband is here.
Leave this institution. This is not your husband's institution.
I'm telling you, I won't and I will never. Nimewapatia.
Just go.
Going, I'm going nowhere. But let me tell you, what is wrong with me is what is wrong with you.